This presentation from D-Class English Department, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Muhammadiyah, Malang, Indonesia. The first is components of grammar. The first is morphology. Morphology is the field of linguistics that studies the structure, the shows of the arrangement of said sound, means the utterance or symbol that means the grammatical units, either singular or as a result of conjugation processes. Compounding and multiplication. Classification of words is the sort of words based on the similarity of shape and background function with the other members of the same class, and the second is syntax. Syntax incorporates the grammar of phrases, clauses, and sentences. Producing and uttering sentences is an important part of how we make sense of our world. And the last is the semantic. Semantics is the study of the meaning of linguistic expressions. The language can be a natural language, such as English or Navajo, or an artificial language, like a computer programming language. Meaning in natural languages is mainly studied by linguists. In fact, semantics is one of the main branches of contemporary linguistics. Theoretical computer scientists and logicians thinking about artificial languages. In some areas of computer science, these divisions are crossed. In machine translation, for instance, computer scientists may want to relate natural language texts to abstract representations of their meanings. To do this, they have to design artificial languages for representing meanings. Second is types of testing grammar skills. Type 1. Paragraph writing. Students will be given a choice of topics. They must choose one topic and write a well-organized and fully developed until paragraph from 150 to 200 words that addresses the topic. Here is an example of a possible topic. Is it better to buy a house or rent an apartment? And then had instructed the students are spamming it. Type 2. Multiple choice. The instructions for each part of this test vary. Please read the instructions for each part very carefully. Part 1 is choose the right word. The instructions is in each of these phrases introduces a sentence. A sentence joins two sentences or signals a shift of ideas within a sentence. Fill in the blanks using each of the following phrases. Each phrase is to be used once, next, and Part 2 is sentence clarity. The instructions is one sentence in each group is well punctuated, well sequenced and well formed. Consider each sentence carefully and determine roommates as the clearest. Part 3 grammar analysis. The instructions is in this part of the assessment deals with subject-verb agreement, misplaced modifiers, fragments, pronoun reference, shifts in time, shifts in person, irregular verbs, and parallelism. Choose the letter that corresponds to the part of the sentence containing the error. Part 5 Grammatical analysis is correct. The instructions is: in this part of the assessment we'll consider prepositions, adjectives, adverbs, nouns, non-noun nouns, verb forms, gerunds, infinitives, pronoun case and wording. Choose the sentence, word or wording that is most grammatically correct. The last is scoring. First, scoring in paragraph writing. Excellent criteria. Using creativity of students' structure and verb tenses are perfect agreement, and then very good criteria using students of structure and verb tenses are good agreement. Creativity is weak, less good criteria using students of tenses and structure are appropriate. Verb agreement and creativity are weak, less, and the last criteria is enough. All of the criteria, tenses, creativity, structure, verb agreement are standard level that all our presentation. And second is multiple choice criteria. You can look the example on the slide. Thank you very much, and goodbye.